皆さんこんにちは。Hello everyone. Welcome to the熊本 University e-learning seminar series. We have two distinguished guests. 前田先生、リチャードソン先生。
The students in Japan, they are not used to be in a part of the community in the classroom. So even we translate directly,